In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product description in Shopify, maximizing the appeal and clarity of your product listings. Whether you're launching a brand new product or revamping existing entries, having a well-crafted product description can make a significant impact on your sales. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently get this done using Shopify's user-friendly tools. To begin, what you want to do is access the product section within Shopify. You do this by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to the Products section. It's here where all the magic happens. This is your hub for managing everything product-related in your Shopify store. Next, you'll need to decide if you're adding a new product or updating an existing one. For adding a new listing, click on Add Product. If you're editing a current product description, perhaps breathing new life into what's already there, simply find the product you're interested in and click to open its details. Once you're on the product's page, look for the description field. This is typically a rich text editor, which gives you more than just a plain text box. It's designed to help you create descriptions that are not only informative but also visually appealing. Here's where you will craft your product story. A strong description will include details about the product's features and benefits, perhaps a bit of its backstory, and any unique selling points that might resonate with potential buyers. Now, pay attention to how you write and format this description. Clear and compelling content is crucial. Break down the information into easy-to-read sections using headings. Bullet points are a great tool for listing features and benefits succinctly, allowing customers to quickly grasp what makes your product special. Don't shy away from using this editor to its full potential. You can bold important information, italicize to add emphasis, and even insert images to visually support your text. This visual enhancement helps in making your description not only a buying guide, but an engaging experience in itself. After you've carefully written and formatted your product description, it's vital to save your changes. The Save button is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. By clicking it, you ensure that all your hard work is updated in your Shopify store, ready to captivate your audience and potentially boost your sales. With these steps done, you've now added a well-thought-out product description that communicates to customers effectively. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling on Shopify.